Hey Techies, welcome back. Here we go with chug gliders, where young adventurers take flight into the world of chug gliders. At Tecky Summer Camp, we are all about soaring to the new heights. Our students dive into the fascinating realm of aeromodeling, discovering the science behind the flight and exploring the different types of motors that power their dreams. Our students get hands-on experience with the technology that makes chug gliders take flight. They roll up their sleeves and embark on their exciting journey of building their own gliders. With a flick of the wrist, our students release their gliders into the wide blue yonder. They experience the thrill of the flight firsthand as their creation catches the wind and glide gracefully through air. But it's not all the smooth sailing. Our students learn the importance of testing and error detection in the meticulous impact of their gliders in their imperfections. Through the trial and error, they refine their designs and strive for the perfection. So, if you are ready, unleash your child's inner aviator and witness the magic of flight, join us at Tecky Summer Camp 2024. Together, let's reach the height of the skies. Teckybot, where future meets innovation.